The Application Appearance Manager allows you to set the luminance and the colors for each application that's on your workspace. So while your diagnostic application is going to be presented unmodified, it might be that you want to have WordPad or your email shown in a somewhat lower light level because otherwise it would be too bright. So let's look at how that can be set up. If I've got my medical images here and now I want to bring up, for example, WordPad, I bring that up, but the background is so bright that it's creating too much contrast between the medical image and this, and I would get tired if I have to look back and forth between these two. So what I can do is I can bring up the Barco system settings and go to the Application Appearance Manager, and I'll enable that. And after I've enabled that, I can take WordPad and I can simply add that here, and once I've added that, I can change the luminance of the WordPad application. So I could make that quite dim, I could make it very bright, and I'll make it somewhat in between because that's the way I would like it. And similarly, I could have other applications. So for example, I've got Chrome here, and I've got some images that I want to see, and it's important for me to have them bright, so I'm going to leave them quite bright, but they could similarly be darkened down to some other level, and then always those applications will appear in those luminances. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.